All right, guys, here's what I'm gonna do. I've tried every strategy, every system. I've played them all out. I've won, I've lost. But sometimes when you're really at the craps table, it's really all about feeling more than it is an actual strategy. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna ditch the strategies, ditch the let's do this, let's do that, 1, 2, 3 series. And I'm just gonna play good old fashioned craps. Ditch every strategy and play good old fashioned style of craps. Okay, guys, it's gonna be a very short intro, and then we're gonna start rolling. Here we go. Okay, so I'm buying at a table. I have a $1,000 bankroll. Again, I'm just gonna try to start rolling and show you what I would do if I was at a craps table, walking up for the first time, what I would, kind of whatever I rolled out here. Again, I'm not gonna play any pass lines while there's 3 corn numbers in a row. I know I'm not gonna be playing any pass lines because I'm gonna typically, I'm gonna bet as if I'm not the shooter. I'm just gonna bet these box numbers across. So the point's gonna be on the 10. I'm gonna start off a little bit heavier, try to see if I can get a quick jump on my bankroll. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play $60 on the 6 and 8. I'm gonna go 25 on the 5 and 9 and a quarter on the 4 and 10. Okay, so that's gonna be my start out spread. And I'm gonna try to get 1 or 2 hits. Again, nothing here strategic, just trying to get generate a little profit. That 30 is gonna pay me 35. I'm just gonna go to 35 and I'm gonna collect the quarter. There's an 8, 5, 3. Okay, perfect. That 60 is gonna pay me 70. I'm gonna go up to a $90 bet. Okay, put the rest back in. Again, this is just if I'm playing without any strategy whatsoever, this is what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, there is a 5. Okay, so here, I'm gonna go up to 35. What I'm gonna do is, because I've hit 3 times, I'm actually gonna go ahead and reduce these back down to a $30 bet, or reduce it down to a $30 bet. Put some money back into the rack, and generate a little bit of that profit coming back, get a couple hits, regress, and now I'm ready to kind of play it on out, okay? Straighten this up a little bit. All right, there's a 6, so it's a 5-1 that rolled on me there at the end. Okay, that's gonna pay me $35. I'm gonna ask for change, so I'm gonna go to 42. So let's drop down 5. I'm gonna go to 42, and the rest of this will come back to the rack, just like that. See if I can, I'm gonna have to get another rack here in a second. Just move these over. Okay, and there we go. Got a few hits on this first roll. Another 6, 5, 1, perfect. All right, so again, I'm at 42. I've already regressed. I've already pressed a little bit. So what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna go to 60. So they're gonna go to 60. It will pay me. It'll pay me 50 for 1. So what we're gonna do is make it look like 60, and pull this $1 back, and the rest goes back to the rack, just like that. Now I have a $60 bet. 1 more 5. All right. Good roll for shooter number 1, right? There's a 4, 3, 1. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to 50. So I'll usually drop them $2, say go to 50, put the rest of it back into the rack. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab an extra rack here, just because I'm gonna need it here in a minute anyways. And we'll go from there. All right, let's keep it going, come on. Hard 8, that is a square pair. Now, you know what? I am typically playing my Hardways, so probably I didn't do it this time. I'm probably going to start doing that. I'm going to show you my Hardway play that I usually do. Again, this is kind of what I do at the casino. I don't usually go with a specific or a certain strategy. That's 8. That's going to pay me 35. Again, I'm going to go to 42 and go from there. And I could go ahead and start putting my Hardways. Typically, what I like to do is if I have 2 greens, I'll go 2 reds. So on the 6, I'll go 2 there. I'm not up to 60 really yet, so I'm just going to go $5 on the hard 8 there. Oh, I dropped the dice. You know what? I dropped this dice. They'll probably say no roll. It was a hard 6, but I'm going to be fair about it. I did drop it, so they'll probably say no roll. All right, there's an 8, 5, 3. Okay, so I'll lose my hard way. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go to 60. Let's pull this bet back. It's gonna pay me 50. So I'm gonna go to 60. Pull this one here. The rest of this is coming back to the rack. Just like that. And I do need to replace my hard way again. I'm at 2 reds on my cap now. So I'm gonna go 2 reds on my hard 8. I've already regressed, so I'm not really, wow, check this out, guys. Another hard 8, perfect. Okay, here's what's gonna happen. They're gonna pay this bet first at 60. It's gonna pay me 70, okay? I already know I'm gonna get money back from my hard way. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to 90 on this bet here and put the rest of this into the rack. Now, that $10 bet is gonna pay me 90. Now, I used to do a full parlay where it went straight to a $100 bet. I don't technically do that anymore because I feel like while the $900 hit is good, sometimes getting those $50 to $75 bets really helps you out. It helps generate more profit. Kind of, I'll say, in the long run, just waiting on that big home run. So here's what I'm going to do. It's a $90 bet. I'm going to make it look like 50, and I'm going to take 50. Okay, so I got $50 back in my rack. That generates profit, or generates more ways to be able to put money back into the rack while trying to hit the hard way. And I'm going to make it look like 50. Now, if it hits now, it would only make $450, not $900. But I'm not wasting the hard way. I'm at least putting some money back into the rack, which to me is the benefit of that. Okay. All right, here we go. And there's a 9. Wow, what a great shooter to start off with, right? First roll. All right, that's going to pay me $50 or $49. It's going to pay me 50 for 1. And this is the kind of roll that you really do want to start with, right? So it's going to go to 50. It's going to put the rest of this back into the rack. Come on, shooter. Here we go. There's a 9, another one. Perfect. Okay. 50 is going to pay me 70. Let me grab some more green chips here. 50 is going to pay me 70, so I'm going to go 75. I'm just going to go 75 for 5. I'm going to make it look like 75. Again, nothing crazy here yet. Just kind of a little small presses here and there. Again, I've got a good spread here. If I want to regress down again, I can. But again, I've already regressed one time. I've already collected money, put it into the rack. I'm not that worried about my exposure here because I'm just waiting, prepping for that big roll, okay? Here we go. And there's a 4 again, 3-1. Okay, 50 is going to pay me 100. Right, it's going to do a black chip. It's going to pay me 100. What I'm going to have to do is I am have to drop down the VIG. I'm not going to drop the VIG for our tables, but I'm going to collect the 50 back into the rack and make it look like 100, okay? Another 9, perfect. 6-3, again, great start out for all. 75 is going to pay me 105. I'm going to go to a $100 bet. The rest of this goes back to the rack. Again, this is just the way I play. Good old-fashioned press. I will do a regress every now and then. There's my hard 6. Okay, I'll take that. That's a hard 6. 60 is going to pay me 70. Okay, again, I'm going to go straight to a $90 bet here, which is a green unit press now. All right, and put the rest back to the rack there. Again, same thing here. That'll technically pay me 90, right? It'll pay me 90. Just kind of show you what that looks like because I didn't really show it a while ago. It'll pay me 90, but I'm taking this 50 and going and make it look like 50, and then that's 25 and 25, that's 50. So basically I'm just gonna tell them make it look like 50 and I'll take 50. Okay, I didn't do that breakdown a while ago to kind of show you why that shows 50 and 50, and maybe that helps out a little bit. All right, guys, we're pressed up pretty good here, so doing really well. Another hard 6, guys. Oh my gosh, that's the parlay. Okay, so that's what I wait for. Granted, it's not at $100 like I used to do. I've been a little bit more conservative trying to pull money back. That's okay. So what's going to happen? Okay, let's show this out. The 6 here is going to pay me 105. $90 bet is going to pay me 105. I'm going to collect the 75, and I'm going to 120. Okay. Now this $50 bet is going to pay me 450. Wow, what a great illustration for my first rollout. That's going to pay me 450. At this point in time, I am going to go to the $100 bet. I'm going to collect the $400. It's going back to my rack. And guess what? I'm all set up. Got a $100 bet here. Got a $50 on my hard 8. I love doing this, okay? Here we go. Now, I do have money on my 4 and 10, so I could easily pick up my 4 and 10. 4 and 10s hit hardways all the time. It hits the parlay all the time as well. So I definitely have that option, especially when I'm now in profit, okay? Okay, there's a 4, 3, 1. Okay, that $100, okay, it's going to pay me $200. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tell them to go to 150. Okay, I'm not going to go straight to 200. I could, but again, to me, it's about bankroll building sometimes, putting that money back into the rack as much as we can. It's going to go to 150. So again, that's going to pay you a great $300. Next time, I'll take it, right? Another 9. Oh my gosh, what a heck of a roll. 50 is going to pay me $100 is going to pay me 140. I'm going to do 150 for 10. These are just little nuggets that you could say, drop down 10, do 150 for 10, and that way they can go to 150. They'll give you the $100 back into your rack, just like that, and you're all set up. Now remember, we started with $220 as our initial spread. Guys, I have $220 just on 2 numbers, not including the rest of these black chips. I could very easily say, let's just regress this thing down, but I'm not. I'm gonna roll it out a few more minutes, and oh my gosh, I hit the hard 6 parlay again with the $100 bet. It's time to go home right here, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, if this was a real table, I promise you I'd probably a lot more excited right now. But that's a big deal. Okay, I've hit the hard 6 3 times in a row. So what's gonna happen? Okay, let's wait for the hard way first. 120 is gonna pay me again 140. So I'm gonna do 150 for 10 basically. And so I'm gonna put this here back into the rack, make it look like 150. Now here's the big, this is the money maker right here. This is the parlay that I love to play, I love to hit. It just so happened I hit it on this video. Guys, this is very rare. When I say rare, it might happen 1 out of every 5, probably 4 sessions that you do. And it happened on this 10-minute video, so which is pretty cool, right? This $100 is gonna pay me, guess, 9 to 1, it's gonna pay me $900. Now, what I would do is, I don't have any purple chips, but what I would do is I'd say, let me drop $100 for 2 purples, but I don't have any purples, so, and I'd put those 2 purples right in my pocket. So here's what it is. It pays out $900. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, $900 goes right back into my rack at that point in time. Let's still exchange that out for a black chip. At that point in time, I'm just gonna go 150. I'm gonna press it up again just in case it hits it again, right? Press it up again, ready to roll. Again, it doesn't always happen. I put the 2 purples in my pocket. I would go home. That's my $1,000 that I started with. And then everything else you see on the table is profit. Now, what I found is a lot of times when you get really excited and things are starting to really kind of go on, sometimes on those big payments, it's a good time to regress. Let me tell you why it's a good time to regress. Just like when you hit the ATS. When you hit the ATS, everybody's blood's pumping, there's stoppage in play, the shooter gets out of rhythm, everything happens. So when something different happens, sometimes people say when the dice fall off the table, sometimes what they say when there's a confusion whenever they're doing all the horn bets, people say turn off my bets. I like to do this sometimes when I hit that $900 parlay, because again, I'm excited, things are excited, I make stupid decisions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take advantage of that big $900 payout. I'm gonna bring a little bit more back to my rack. I'm just gonna take all the black chips back. So these are black chips. I'm gonna go back to 50 and 60 here. Okay, just to kind of show you what I would do here. I'm gonna pull an extra $300 back to my rack, which is, again, never a big deal, never a problem bringing money back, regressing. That way I got a little bit more out of that hit. Now, if the roll keeps going, that's absolutely great. I'm still, oh my gosh. Did you see what just happened? I just hit another hard 6. I was just shaking the dice. I was just throwing, okay, and it hit another hard 6. Guys, that is another parlay that just hit at a $150 level. Oh my gosh, guys. I actually don't even know what to say. I love posting these type videos. It doesn't happen very often. It's super cool. I don't even have enough black chips to be able to throw this out there. So here's what I'm gonna do. Gosh, okay. I'm gonna say, I'm going off script here. So again, let's start. Let's start. Wait, I'm getting confused. 60 is gonna pay me 70. You know what? I don't care. Let's just go all the way up. Let's just go all the way up to 120. I'm just gonna collect the rest, okay? But this is the deal, guys. The hard 6 at $150 is gonna pay me $1,350. $1,350. So I don't have purples. I'm gonna call these as $1,000 chip, or $500 each. So 500, that's 1,350. I'm gonna put the 2, call them purple chips, in my pocket. Let's put them in the back of the rack. I'm gonna press it on up to a $200 bet. I'm pulling the rest of these back and putting it in my bank. Oh my gosh, what a heck of a video. Again, if this was real table, I promise you, you have no idea the energy that I would have here, because that's so much fun when this happens, guys. If you've been in Vegas with me, if you played at tables with me, and I've hit the parlay, it is so much fun. It's better than the ATS. I like it better. Let's keep rolling, and it's still rolling, guys. We're 15 minutes through this video, and I'm still rolling, okay? 549.50 is gonna pay me 70, go up to a 75. I could even go up to $100 here because I've already collected enough, to really start kind of driving to it. That's 100% okay. Let's keep it going. And there's a 5, a 3, 2. Okay, 50 is going to pay me 70. I'm running out of money. No, what is that? That's 5, sorry. 35 is going to pay me 50 for 1. You know what? Again, I can start being a little more aggressive here because I've got stupid money back into my rack. I'm gonna go straight up to a 75, put the $10 back into the rack. And there's a 752. Wow, what a heck of a roll. I don't even think there's really any reason to keep rolling this thing out. I think we're gonna call the video. I'm going to see how much I'm gonna color up for, because sometimes that's the best deal, guys. When you have a hot shooter, when you have a hot roll, you know what? Take you 2 or 3 minutes, take you 15 minutes, take you 30 minutes, go get you a snack, and then come back, because what's gonna happen is the next 2 or 3 shooters, law of averages, is gonna be bad, and you're gonna lose some of your money back. Okay, let's see what we did. We started with $1,000. Huge color up here with a lot of big hits. So I'm gonna say this is my $1,000 that I started with. Again, they're not purple chips, but it's close enough, right? Okay, so here's my color up. Here's my profit right here. Okay, I'm gonna guess that's 2,000. That's 5, 1,000, 15. That's 2,000. Good pick there. That's 2,000. That's 1,500. That's sorry, 2,000. That's 25. So this is going to be $500. So that's 3,000 so far. That's 3,000. That's 3,500. 3,600. That's 3,700. 3,725. 350. 360. 3,300. Did I say that right? Good gosh. Let's see here. 1, 2, no, we're doing a color up here. So really, that's your starting order. This is just profit. 1, 2, 3,000, 5, 6, 7, 3,761. $3,761 on this roll. My gosh, guys, first roll. Let's just say if that was your first roll of the trip, or any roll, that's a heck of a color up. Get up, walk away. Don't give it back to the casino. Take a few minutes, take a breather, go get you a snack, guys. That was a big color up. Okay, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. A little bit impromptu, a little bit of feeling, no strategy whatsoever, just good old fashioned ditch every strategy and just play crap. So how would you do? How would you play by feeling? This is the way I play. It just so happened to be a monster roll, a monster hit. Hardway parlays, again, not typical fashion in most cases. It does happen. It does not happen 3 times in one video. I got super lucky here. Never seen that, never rolled that out here on the channel. So it was actually kind of cool for it to happen. Okay, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the content. If you haven't already subscribed. Guys, there's a new hype button. Did you know there's a new hype button? If you like this content, if you like these rollouts, hit that hype button. It's right beside the comments. If you swipe over, do that for me. Put a comment down below. Until next time, mark the point and stay awesome.